Hey, welcome back to the Real Beginner Friendly Web Development Guide. In this video, we're going to dive into the basic structure of an HTML document. Understanding this structure is crucial because it's the foundation of every web page you will create. So, let's get started. An HTML document has a specific structure that tells the browser how to interpret and display the content. Let's break down the essential parts of a basic HTML document. First, we have the doctype HTML declaration. This line might look a bit strange, but it's very important. It tells the browser that our code is written in HTML5, which is the latest version of HTML. Always include this at the very top of your HTML document. Next is the HTML tag. This is the root element of your HTML document. Everything you write in your HTML file will be inside this tag. Inside the HTML tag, we have two main sections, the head and the body. The head section is where we put information about the web page rather than the content itself. This includes the title tag, which sets the title of your web page. You'll see this title in the browser tab when you open the page. The body is where all the visible content of your web page goes. This is where you put text, images, links, videos, or anything that you want users to see and interact with. This is a simple example of a basic HTML document. Let's test it in the browser. As you can see, the doctype HTML declaration is at the very top. Then we have our HTML tag, followed by the head and body sections. Inside the body, we have a heading and a paragraph. This is the basic structure you'll use for all HTML documents. Before we wrap up, let's go over a few common mistakes to avoid. One common mistake is forgetting the doctype HTML declaration, which can cause your page to display incorrectly. Another is not properly closing tags or nesting elements incorrectly. And remember, all content should be inside the HTML head or body tags. Another important point is to keep your code neat and readable. Using proper indentation and spacing makes your code easier to read and debug. Remember, in the previous episodes, we talked about Prettier, a code formatter that can handle that for you. Alright, now it's your turn. Try creating your own basic HTML document with a heading, a paragraph, and maybe even an image or a link. Experiment and have fun with it. That's it. I hope you found it helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more contents like this. Keep in mind that we're working at an absolute beginner level, so there's a couple of points we didn't touch that might look complex to beginners. But if you keep up with us, at the end of this series, you'll be as strong as you would expect it. Alright, thanks for watching. See you in the next video.